My official 10 tips for beginner English learners. Learning English as a beginner can be both exciting and daunting. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, with over 1.5 billion people speaking it as their first or second language. As a beginner, it's critical to start with the basics and gradually build your skills and confidence. By following some simple tips, you can improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills in English. In this way, you can communicate more effectively with English speakers. You will also expand your opportunities and gain a deeper understanding of English-speaking cultures. Thank you for visiting Teacher Amin's YouTube channel and Facebook page. We invite you to subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos and posts. 1. Start with the basics. Learn English fundamentals, such as the alphabet, basic grammar, and commonly used words and phrases. Starting with the basics is imperative for language learners. It will help you build a strong foundation and make it easier to learn more advanced concepts later on. Some basic things to learn in English include the alphabet, numbers, basic grammar rules, and common words and phrases. 2. Listen to English. Listen to English language music, news broadcasts, podcasts, and other media to become accustomed to the language's sounds and rhythms. Listening to English is an effective way to improve your listening comprehension and get used to the language sounds. Try to find sources that interest you, such as music, podcasts, or TV shows. You can also listen to news broadcasts or documentaries to improve your understanding of more formal English. 3. Speak as much as possible. Practice speaking English as much as possible, even if you're just talking to yourself. This will help you become more comfortable with the language and build confidence. Speaking is one of the most significant skills to develop when learning a foreign language. Even if you don't have anyone to talk to, you can still practice speaking to yourself. Try narrating your day in English or practicing common phrases you've learned. 4. Practice with a partner. Find someone to improve your English with, whether a friend, family member, or a language exchange partner. This will allow you to practice your speaking and listening skills with someone else. Practicing with a partner is an ideal way to get feedback on your speaking and listening skills. You can also practice different types of conversation, such as ordering food in a restaurant or making small talk with strangers. 5. Use English every day. Try to incorporate English into your daily routine as much as possible. This could include reading English language books, watching English language TV shows, or even just thinking in English. The more you use English, the easier it will become to understand and speak. Try incorporating English into your daily life, such as reading news articles in English or listening to English podcasts during your commute. 6. Learn vocabulary in context. Rather than memorizing individual words, learn vocabulary in sentences and phrases. This will help you understand how words are used in different situations. Learning vocabulary in context is very helpful because it helps you understand how words are used in real-life situations. Instead of memorizing individual words, try learning them in a sentence or phrase. This will help you remember them better and understand how they are used in different situations. 7. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning from mistakes is a natural part of learning. Don't be afraid to make mistakes when speaking or writing in English, as this is how you will grow and improve. It's critical to remember that everyone makes mistakes when learning an unfamiliar language. Don't be afraid to make mistakes when speaking or writing in English, as this is how you will grow and improve. Instead, focus on learning from your mistakes and using them as learning opportunities. 8. Take advantage of technology. Use language learning apps, online resources, and other technology to learn English more efficiently. There are many language learning apps and online resources that can help you learn English more efficiently. Try using apps like Duolingo or Memrise to practice your vocabulary, or watch YouTube videos to improve your listening comprehension. 9. Join a class or language school. Consider taking a class or enrolling in a language school to receive formal English instruction. This will allow you to learn from a teacher and practice. Be patient and persistent. Learning a foreign language takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and don't give up if you don't see progress right away. With persistence and dedication, you will improve over time. Learning another language is a long-term process that requires patience and persistence. Don't get discouraged if you don't see progress right away or if you struggle with certain aspects of the language. Keep practicing and stay committed to your learning goals, and you will eventually improve over time. Remember to celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated and encouraged. Summary: the 10 tips for beginner English learners are: start with the basics, listen to English, speak as much as possible, practice with a partner, use English every day, learn vocabulary and context, don't be afraid to make mistakes, take advantage of technology, join a class or language school, and be patient and persistent. These tips aim to help beginners improve their listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills in English. They guide how to acquire and practice the language,